English phrases you must know. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Visionary Varsha. If you want to speak English naturally and confidently in your daily life, then this video is for you. Today, I am going to share 10 simple English phrases that you can use every day, just like native speakers. So, let's get started. Phrasal number 1. What's up? It is a casual way to say how are you or what's going on. For example, hey Ria, what's up? You look excited today. Try using this with your friends instead of always saying how are you. Okay, so second one is I'm just kidding. So this one is super useful. I'm just kidding. It means I'm joking. Don't take it seriously. So for example, don't be mad. I'm just kidding. Phrase number 3. Let me think. Use this when someone asks you a question and you need a moment. Let me think. For instance, let me think. I think I last saw him at the cafe. Phrase number 4. Sounds good. This means that's a good idea or I agree. For instance, we'll meet at 6. Sounds good. Phrase number 5. No worries. A very cool and polite way to say it's okay or don't worry about it. For instance, sorry, I forgot to call. No worries. Phrase number 6. I'm not sure. Sometimes you don't know the answer. Instead of saying I don't know, say I'm not sure. For instance, I'm not sure where she went. Maybe she is in the library. Phrase number 7. I'll get back to you. This is perfect for professionals or casual use. It means I'll reply later with more information. For instance, I don't know the price right now. I'll get back to you soon. Phrasal number 8. That makes sense. Say this when something comes clear or understandable. For example, oh, the road is closed today. That makes sense now. Phrasal number 9. It's up to you. Want to let someone decide? Say it's up to you. For example, pizza or burgers. It's up to you. Phrase number 10. I'm used to it. This means something is not new to you. You are comfortable with it. For instance, I work night shifts. Wow, that must be hard. Nah, I'm used to it. So, those were 10 daily English phrases that you can start using from today. Which one was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep smiling. Thank you.